Apocalypse Manufacturing unleashes the Warlord, which is what it calls a Ram 1500 TRX with a 6x6 conversion. The company from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, is accepting orders now at a starting price of $250,000. Visit our new friends at DuPont Registry to submit your info and get the process started. The Warlord uses Apocalypse's proprietary middle axle that adds 2 more powered wheels. The company also fits a custom frame using 0.25-inch thick steel at the rear. For a suitably aggressive look, 37-inch mud-terrain tires wrap around 18-inch wheels. A full-sized spare is located in the bed. A style bar is also just behind the cab. Things don't change under the hood. Just like a normal TRX, there is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 pumping out 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque that runs through an 8-speed automatic. As the images show, the interior is also identical to a regular TRX. The truck's cabin offers a mix of sporty trim, luxurious materials, and high-tech features, like that huge, vertically oriented infotainment display. If the stock look isn't your thing, Apocalypse Manufacturing lists a few available upgrades on its website. Buyers can opt for 40-inch tires for $2,200. A thermal night vision costs $5,200. For some flash, LED lighting underneath the truck is $1,000. Since both the current Ram 1500 and the Hellcat engine are already so familiar to tuners, companies are quickly introducing wild creations based on the TRX. For example, Hennessy has its Mammoth 1000 upgrade that pushes the claimed output to 1012 horsepower and 969 pound-feet of torque at the crank. Hennessy also offers an SUV conversion for the TRX that encloses the bed to increase the volume to 7 passengers. It has the Mammoth 1000 engine upgrade, 2.5-inch suspension lift, and 20-inch wheels with 35-inch tires.